Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Market Crest, where we focus on fundamentals for directional buyers and technicals for our entry. Last week we had a little volatility in the market, and this week we'll be looking out for subtle volatility, which what we are anticipating for this week is some of the information we have is just basic stuff, and what's important is the core PC, which might give us a little volatility for the week. And as it stands, I'm still bearish on the USD, not because the holding of the rate, but because they lower their projections on GDP. And I think there was some dovish tone from Powell also. So last week we saw some movements due to some information that came in. For now, I'm focused on the yen strength. I'm still focused on the yen strength, weakness on the USD. We have kind of euro and the pound's kind of strength. Remember, we're in a risk-on environment, so that's what I'm expecting for the market. And for that, I'm looking at the USD JPY, which I'm still expecting shorts to be continued down to the downside. This is what I'm expecting. So market open, I don't know, I'll be expecting a break of structure to the downside. I'm expecting the market to break structure to the downside, then we continue selling. For the USD Swiss, it's not really one of my best pairs because the Swiss is not that strong. They cut their interest rate, so they are lower than the China, the Japan is yen. So we will be looking at shorting the Swiss yen. If we look at it from a weekly and from a monthly perspective, you'd see that we expect this price to continue lower, and price is reacting from a weekly supply, and from that we expect the market to drop. So from here we should expect a drop all the way down, and that's what I'm looking out for. So regarding the GBP USD, still looking at longs, nothing much, might be a slow week, so I'm expecting this market to push higher. So I'm expecting the market to head down to this weekly area. So I'm expecting the market to react from here. So Monday, Tuesday we might see dollar strength, but then to the end of the week probably. That's what I'm looking out for. And if this doesn't occur yet, or we might see something as similar to this particular area, which we saw a set of moves, then we had this liquidity grab area, and that's what I'm looking at for. Probably we'd see a liquidity grab and push to the upside. That's for the GBP USD, and we could also have the CAD yen based on yen strength. Price had reacted from this area of supply, so potentially expecting the market to start shorting from here. That's it. So nothing much. CAD weakness, Swiss weakness, but Swiss weakness more than the CAD. So if we look at it clearly, might the USD CAD, what we do have is potentially a drop from there due to dollar weakness, but not too sure. The reason why I'm looking at the CAD strength is due to the oil movement, the upside, and we could also have the silver and gold. Definitely there should be this, there's this demand here, so I'm expecting this to continue to the upside. And gold, the possibility of gold reacting from this area to the upside is there, but it might also come lower. So let's just see how it goes. Do have a nice trading week.